Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ke ukusebenza njalo usubscribe, ulike, ushare wenze okufanele ukuze channel izokhula. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for your love and support. So kule video ngizothanda ukukhuluma ngabantu you guys abasekingeni njengoba nje nami ngikhala ngevoice ngithi yo ngizwile kuthange na izolo iweather bafethu iflu ngivimbele ngishayekile ngikanjani njani you guys. Abantu akade betraveler lapha besezindleleni especially abantu akade behamba ngo N3 I think lo mgwaqo sukuya kwaZulu Natal something like that you guys angazi ke kunabantu abaningi uthi abavaleleke lapha nezindleleni you guys isnow esikhona iqhwa kumhlophe emigwaqeni phansi you guys imoto azikwazi ukuhamba abantu abakwazi ukuhamba into nje kusho kunenkungu ke kumhlophe kunzima abantu bastake since Friday singazi ukuthi since uDabulolo trend izolo up to namhlanje ngesonto ke abantu ngabe mhlambe balitholile yini usizo ngoba abantu bebestake ezindleleni bafowethu ngezimoto zabo bestake phakathi kwezimoto Amunye ke wabantu lapha abakhalile ngupheni intuli ke lapha osebenza lapha ka Jozi FM simkhumbule ka Gagas FM wase shifta ke lapha ka Jozi FM you guys ukhalile ke lapha ngokuthi naye ke ungomunye umuntu abalele emgaqeni ngolwesihlane ebusuku ekhuluma kizo lokumgqibelo into ezikanjalo wazakhala lapha ecela uarrive alive ukuthi ke abancede ngoba since bestakile balele ezimotweni sibona lapha ku video lapha engizoyifaka mhlambe ekuqaleni you guys bebizana lapha ukuthi bebuzana ukuthi ngabe usase right lapha emotweni balele lapho sibevuke kusini bezama ukuthi babhekelane njengomakhelwane lapha you guys ukuthi ke ngabe usaphila yini phakathi kwaleyo moto kuyo baphakamise nje isandla ophilayo nje awave something like that ukuthi hayi sorry guys bengishilo guys ngivalekile honestly speaking ngiyaphila ngiright ubonakala nje ngesandla bezama nje guys ukucabangelana ubeposta ke lapha upheni intuli ke lapha ka Facebook page yakhe you guys eloke update abantu ukuthi guys silele lana guys asikalithola usizo guys asidlanga silambile into ekanjalo kunamanye ama clip esiwabona abantu akade be stuck on the road bezama ukuhamba lapha beya eduze nama garage aseduzane ke beyofuna ukudla and stuff kunzima bafowethu iweather angazi iweather indlela okubanda ngakhona you guys kwamina nje bengigodwela ngemsebenzini like kumanje ngicabanga ukustima because I'm very cold andlalanga kahle ebusuku ngezuthi inyawo zami ngisafila like freezing izandla engene ngamakhaza kakhulu ize bengigqokile bafethu thina phela sihambe ngemoto sihamba amanyawo saye renkini usayofuna itaxi something like that ngangenwa ikhaza bafethu kuthange na izolo angikho right kumanje ngifuna uqamba amanga so cabanga kumuntu olele lapha nemotweni ku snow sonke lithi isnow besivala imoto siyivale kanje ibingasabonakali apho umuntu enkosa zami ukuthi aclear imoto asuse wonke lama ice phezulu kwemoto something like that besibona ama videos amaningi Nkosi yami apostiwe abantu bahluphekile emgaqeni and ngiyengezwe ukuthi khona oshonile lapha noma ngizarekhoda ngima kancane bafethu kuthi khona shonile ke you guys khumbula abantu bakwe medication kumanje nje mawustake emgaqeni namaphilisi wakho awunawo yabona ke when it comes to medication mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungcono nje enyihlala endlini enyihlala emotweni just in case you are stuck kuleyo moto or ku traffic mhlambe kumele waphuze ngesikhathi into ezikanjalo uvele ube ne medication yakhe eziba semotweni enyibe sekhaya ngoba kunzima kunje nabanye abantu bekuthiwa ke abantu abaku medication cabanga ustuck endleleni ulele lapho usazola abalele lapho Friday babuye balala lapho Saturday medication abanayo cabanga ukuthi kwenzakalana ngaloyo muntu mhlambe nje vele Nkosi yami plus ice asithi mhlambe imoto yakho ayina heater something like that sekuyikuthi kwenzekeni ngawe angithi uyashona kunzima bafethu lapha sibonile upheni intuli ekhala lapha ukuthi upheni intuli calls out arrive alive as she spends the night stuck on N3 into ekanjalo akuyena yedwa bebaningi bafethu ngoba yena kube poster ekhale zama ukuthi badinga usizo ukhona umunye oqanjiwe lapha I think ukuthi ufihla isikhwele something like that uqanjiwe lapha you guys kuthiwa ke media personalities upheni intuli umaskandi artist ufihla isikhweleke magubane no KC FM editor ulungane Mhlongo nabanye you guys they were all stuck lapha ka N3 freeway. They are amongst the scores of motorists who spent the night on the road due to the heavy snow. Ufihla isikhwele was on his way to Durban to attend a podcast. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi upheni intuli naye was on his way to Durban, something like siyamazi ukuthi umuntu wase KZN kodwa kusebenzela ngapha eJoburg, something like that. Kuthiwa ke uthe lapha Mfihli Sikhwele, I've been stuck on the road since yesterday Friday kuyizolo Saturday phela afternoon till today Saturday morning. We can't move, we are stuck in the middle of the road. I don't even know when we'll be able to move because there's so much traffic. I always see these things in movies and I never thought I'll never experience them. The truth is I'm panicking, I'm stressed, starving and anxious. Kwasho laphana yena uFihli Sikhwele at the time of writing, radio host uPenny Ntuli was still stuck on the road. She was posting regular updates laphana on her Facebook page. Njengoba bengishilo, you guys, uNtuli said she has been stuck since Friday ngo 5:30. But angry Penny Ntuli laphana sends plea on Facebook edinga uncedo. In one of her posts she wrote, "Arrive Alive is busy posting what's going on the N3. How about you stop posting and help people? We are here helicopters we are the where are the helicopters to pick up people? You are well aware that rain is coming and people will be washed away, if not drowned in ice like as it has already happened lapana ka Moi River. There are cars here with kids inside, older people traveling in cars with no heaters. They've been freezing for the past 16 hours. We are the resources. Why do we pay for our toll gates if you won't issue out help on the same roads that citizens pay for? Use that small change to hire out choppers to clear your roads." That is opinion to you guys. Ekwatile to babona nje bezenzela content belokhu beposta ngokwenzeke emgaqeni. Why not stop ukwenza content ke nize nizosiza abantu something like that. You guys, there's a nearly due pregnant lady behind us okhulelwe kakhulu nje impela laphana naye. You guys, kuthiwa traveling and the doors are locked, imoto yakhe ayisavuleki, something like that. Bafethu kunzima kodwa you akwazi kwakubi, you're highly pregnant and imoto yakhe ayisavuleki nokuvuleka where hayi ngeke ngisaba nje nokuyicabanga. Also, older people without medication. If journalists can travel in choppers to do a coverage of what is happening, can't you issue out choppers to fetch people? But no, you are busy with content. Come on, I pray we don't wake up to find dead bodies inside the cars. It's freezing cold between 0 to 1 degrees. That is a fuming pain into you guys. Eti mangaba ama-journalists akwazi basebenzela ama-choppers ukuthi bahambe besenza itori babheke okwenzakalayo. You guys basilethele itori njengalesi nje. You guys, why can't you arrive alive and the same thing nabo badinga lawo ma-choppers ke kuhanje kuyosizwa abantu abastakile. Mangasho ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngibonile ama-videos kababa uAyanda Msweli esemgaqeni laphana e-update you guys ukuthi kuyazanywa laphana kancane ukuthi kusizwe ke abantu abastakile, something like that. You guys, ngabantu nabo abade befike endaweni besemsebenzini. You guys, behamba besenza umsebenzi, befika ngendlela abafika ngazo nabo. Kodwa ke imoto ezistakile ke zistakile, siyabona isibonisa lapha ku video ethi zistakile ke imoto lapha. You guys, uyazibona nje futhi sezize zibonakala phezulu kuphela, ngapha ngaphansi awusayibona imoto ivalekile nje. You guys, i-ice yonke liyana, angazi arrive alive ke yona lapha kuthiwa ke iye yacela abantu for patience. Cabanga nje uyafa ngapha wena ukuthi hayi be patient. Ngapha imoto isivalwe i-ice, ngapha ukhulelwe usemotweni unomntwana ungumuntu omdala awuna medication ufuna uhamba. You guys, ayi patience vela ngeke uzube nayo ngaleso sikhathi. Makuthiwa patience nje uzofila ngathi nje bayakuthethisa. Arrive alive, you guys, issued motorists assured motorists that they are doing everything in their power to help. They wrote there, but even disaster management teams are working around the clock to reach crash scenes, also to reach emergency incidents and stranded road users. Your patience and compliance are required to help emergency services team work as quickly as effectively as possible. Kodwa ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi vele mususengxakini nje udaba lwe-patience awunalo, something like that. You guys, abantu bavaleleke ezindleleni bafethu. Ngiyabona lama video ngeze ngibazwela kakhulukazi abantu kade beyake belubhekisele eDurban kunzima lapha endleleni baye bavaleleka. Singazi ukuthi namhlanje kuyiSunday abantu baye balithola yini usizo nekuningi lapha bafethu saze sabazwela. Ngaze ngazwela naloko kuthiwa ngathi udlulile emhlabeni. Ngibonile udaba lwakhe mangabe sendutholile clear on any publication mhlambe ngizoza on a video because ngibonile ku report ukuthi ukhona osedlulile. Asingazi inkosi yami ngalo mama ukuthi she was highly pregnant nayo imoto yakhe ngasavule ukuthi what happened. Sengathi bangasi update sikwazi ukuthi siza ukuthi kwenze njani ke ngabo labo abe medication zabo. Inkosi yami abana medication bastake endleleni. Inkosi ayi asibonge nje into okuthiwa igarage ozoyithola noma ikuphi endleleni. uyakwazi ukuthi ungene egarage uthole ukudla, but mangabe imoto ayivuleki uzofika kanjani kulelo garage? Bakithi abantu baze bahlupheka nkosi yami, ama-video nama-pictures ebesiwabona izitori, abantu bahluphekile you guys. Open intuli laba bevalelekile laphana ku-N3 kuthiwa akuhambeki, kune-traffic nje, i-snow sivale ukuthi kuvalile. Uyabona nje ku-video laphana ka-Pen intuli ukuthi they are stuck, baze babuzana ekuseni ukuthi morning neighbor, something like that you guys. They are making a joke out of it, but at least basaphila siyababona. But anyways bavaleleke lapho, balala lapho, bavuka belapho. So ukuthi babhekane nje ukuthi ngabe wena right, wena nawe right, something like that. Onganyakazi uyinkinga, kubonakala enganyakazi usuvela ungasazi ukuthi onkosi yami enganyakazi right, mhlawumbe usalele ovela usethuli. Hayi Jesu kuningi kodwa bakithi. But thank you so much ukuthi uyibuke ivideo ke, usubscribe, ulike, ushare. So phinda sibonane futhi kwenye elandelayo. Bye.